Good afternoon, Sprinklebit. I got some good feedback on the little video review that I did on how Lyft has been trading since its IPO. So I was thinking I could do another little quick update to check in on what has happened since then. And if you guys remember, the last time we were looking at this chart, on that day, Lyft had just broken down from the little bit of support it had found around $66. So this was a pretty vicious sell-off that we were looking at, and we were curious to see how the Lyft stock was going to trade in the days following that. And as you can see here on Thursday and Friday last week, we were hovering around that 60 level for a little bit, but then in today's session, we broke that level and we actually closed down on Monday 6.32%. So another kind of steep sell-off for Lyft, and still really no demand for the stock. And I did a little post on Sprinklebit here last week where I was referring to that Lyft had raised money in June of 2018 at a $15.1 billion valuation. And this comes out to a share price right around $55. And we actually hit 55.56 here today. So I'm curious now to see if this $55 level is going to be any significant level to take note of maybe some demand can come in, because basically what that means is that you would be able to buy Lyft at kind of June 2018 price or valuation. So I would almost assume that there will be a little bit of buying come in here, but there hasn't been any yet. So it still remains to be seen if we can kind of find a little bit of support here and then consolidate and maybe show some signs of a reversal. But that has yet to be seen. So for now, Lyft is still in wait and see mode. I'll be paying close attention to this over the next couple of days here to see if any buyers or any volume comes in at that $55 level. But overall, it's kind of a tricky week. We have a lot of earnings reports starting to come out, which always throws kind of a wrench into the trading aspect of things. We are just kind of like in a wait and see mode here to see what the earnings are going to tell us, and then also how Lyft will keep trading into the Uber IPO. So hopefully you guys learned a little bit. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. If not, I will see you guys on Sprinklebit. Take care.